How you guys doing? As you can see on the screen, I became a certified funded trader. Thank you. Applause for myself. I know. I'm really happy that I actually passed through this. But today, this video is going to consist on me pretty much just going through the process to kind of show you that when you pass your Combine account, you'll know what the process is after. So I'm honestly so stoked I actually passed it, became a funded trader. And what's really crazy to me is my challenge was really 4K because my worst day was 1,000. That was the first day I ever opened the account because I didn't know about the E-mini contracts and like the actual NASDAQ contract. So if you don't know that, be careful. Don't trade the actual full NASDAQ because you are gonna get absolutely smashed like on like one little pip. It's like $1,000. So that's why I lost. So pretty much I traded to 4,000, which is quite impressive. Did take me a month, but it is what it is. So let's get right through it. I'll show you what you should expect when you do pass that combine. So you're gonna get a little agreement, say I agree to the terms and conditions, exhibit A, whatever. Also there is an activation fee, one-time activation fee, whoa, of 150 US. It's a flat fee. And that's a one-time payment. So you're gonna now once you pay that, you can just forget about those monthly payments. And as you can see, right, it says right here, one-time fee. So let's check this all off. My card will be charged, blah, blah, blah. Understand that my payment provider. Yes, let's do this. All right. I'll be back. Let me put in my information. Give me a second. All right, there you go. Your activation fee has been successful. $149 straight to the account. Got absolutely swept on that. But that's no problem because it's honestly very easy trading. Knock on wood. But there we go. Your account begins with zero balance. So everything's restarted. 5 days or more of $200 plus, and you can unlock 50% of your profits. Amazing. And join the Topstep live, blah, blah. Start trading. And now we should expect everything to be at zero, right? There it is. Wow. That's crazy. Objectives are different. 5 days of 200 plus. That's beautiful. Don't let the account go down to negative 2K. Got 5K on the express funded account. Wow, what a journey. I'm honestly so stoked. I'm extremely happy. I cannot wait to be trading tomorrow at New York Open. And if you are interested in seeing how that's going to go, I am going to make a recap on it as I do with all my other trades. If you are interested, leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned to tomorrow's video. See my trade recap.